Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm ready to share with you. Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm here to share with you my Spring Inspirational Stamp Camp. So let me show you a little bit about what we're going to do and a little bit of the concept behind this. So a stamp camp has more projects than a class, when at least in my terminology. It also has several pillow gifts, which are extra special little gifties that I put in there to help you feel the love. And this is a stamp camp to go, so you can do this at your leisure wherever you are in the United States. Now I am using Easter Lilies as my focal point. So this is the stamp set, and these are the dies that I used for all of the Stamp Camp projects. And if you'll notice on this, it's a beautiful, beautiful stamp set. The dies are pretty amazing to give you really 3D leaves and lilies. But I love the words in this stamp set. He is risen is definitely Easter, but the others can be used year-round to express the love of God. Peace I give unto you, God is good, and trust in the Lord with all your heart. The fonts are beautiful. And of course, lilies, although we have lilies during Easter, the Easter lily is typically white, but lilies can be used all year. They're often in weddings and in beautiful flower arrangements. So that's kind of the concept behind what we're doing in my Inspirational Spring Stamp Camp. So let me show you the projects and what you're going to get. So we are making two note cards, and of course these have envelopes with them. And I've got an Easter and a kind of a general God is good. And then we have 4 full-size cards, and one is definitely Easter, the others are not. And again, just expressing the love of God and peace. So we have a beautiful soft color palette, and when I do my project packets, I do all of the embossing for you. So you'll see this embossing bit from the doily hybrid embossing folder, and this is in rose gold, so that will be done for you. These lily die cuts will all be done for you. But where you have to stamp and cut out the lilies, then I'll give you a piece of cardstock for that. So that's the cards. We have kind of a little whimsical, sweet Easter treat. I am including the chocolate for you. It's the time of year where I feel pretty confident that it will get to you without being melted. I will put this in a sealed bag so that it won't, if it does by chance melt, it won't get anywhere else. We're also making this really pretty home decor element. So this is a 3-panel hanger. You can, of course, use these 3 individually, but they look really nice when you hang them all together. And again, this has trust in the Lord. It has peace I give unto you, and really pretty soft colors. So these are spring colors that you could use all through, for several months. This also, it will fold flat for really easy storage with your spring home decor. You could also mail this really easily as a really special gift for someone. So those are the projects that we're making. You will get a pack of the Lighter Than Air Designer Series paper. Believe it or not, these hot air balloons is the packet of paper we're using. But of course, there's a lot of different designs in here, and they're really soft colors. You're also going to get a full roll of this white herringbone ribbon that we're going to use pretty much throughout, and then a full package of these pastel adhesive backed sequins. So again, just really soft colors. You've got the blue and the pink and the gold. These are in 2 different sizes. Now, that whole stamp camp comes to you. It's $49.99. You do have to add the shipping unless you're doing porch pickup. You can add the bundle if you wish, and I give you in the sign-up form, you'll see the colors of blends and inks that I used. I actually used, I think on the card projects and the home decor, I think I only used basic gray ink, a little bit of bubble bath. but quite a few different blends. So if you would like to, you can also add on a second class, and it is Inspirational Sketches. So this is why I'm calling it Inspirational Stamp Camp, because we have the inspiration of my kind of God's love themed projects, and then we're also adding in this beautiful nature stamp set is what I chose. Now, this is an add-on class. You don't have to take this class, but it's only $25 if you want to take it. You can add on the stamp set as well if you want. So we are going to be making 4 fancy cards, and these are, you're going to be getting a half a pack of this beautiful, beautiful Nature's Sweetness Designer Series paper. You'll get a yard of this faux leather trim, and then you're going to get a package of these champagne dots. I really, really like them. And again, I gave you a list of the blends that I use. You could, there's lots of different directions you can go with that if you don't have some of the ones on my list. So that is the add-on class, and that is my stamp camp. It is available for registration through the 22nd, and then those packets will ship out by the 29th. Easter is the 31st of March, so that gives you, those packets will get to you early, super early in March, gives you plenty of time to get all your projects made in time. Well, the ones that you want to have in time for Easter, but that way you can really enjoy spring and some great stamping. So I hope that you will consider taking my stamp camp. Thanks so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.